Hello guys, my name is Almeida, and in today's video we are going to talk about internet gateway, and later on we have this it's going to be a direct hands-on. So in the previous video uh, of this set of videos we had created a VPC and two subnets, a public one and a private one. So the goal of this video is to give direct internet access to the public subnet. Right now in this video I won't be talking how to give access to the private subnet. So the first thing that we have to do uh, is to create an instance in the public subnet. So let's go and do that. So as you can see, I don't have any instance running, and I'm going to launch an instance. I'm going to call it public instance, and these settings look great. I'm going to create a key pair so that I can access my machine. I'm going to call it demo key. Wait, it already exists. I'm going to call it demo only. I'm gonna use this. Yes, I have too many keys here from previous hands-on and stuff. And I'm going to edit the network setting because right now it's using the default VPC and that's not what we want. So I'm going to use the demo VPC, and as you can notice, the auto assign public IP is not enabled, because right now if we have a look, these subnets are basically the same. There's nothing different. They just have a different name. So what we are going to do is we are going to edit the settings of the public one and enable this option. And by doing so, it is going to allow us to have a public IP in the public subnet. So if I refresh these, you can now see that it changed. Now we have the enable. We have enabled it. So I'm going to security group. I'm going to call this public subnet SG. Mm, I think I don't have one secret group with this name. Okay. And I'm going to allow SSH inbound from anywhere. This is not a good practice, but okay, I will continue with this, and I'm going to launch the instance. Okay, I'm gonna view all instance. So our instance is this one. So right now it's pending. I'm gonna wait a little bit so that it becomes available. It's initializing, and as you can see, it has a public IP version 4 address. Okay, and okay, it won't take that much. Wait. Taking too damn long. Okay, after a few minutes of waiting, the instance is available for use. Okay. Now, if I try to connect, I'm going to try from the terminal first. Uh, my key, I've downloaded my key, so I'm going to SSH. The name of the key is demo, EC2 user at this IP. And as you can see, it's taking it's not connecting. So even if I try from, let me try from instance connect. I'm also getting a timeout. So this is because the instance doesn't, even though it has a public IP address, it doesn't have internet access. So what do we have to do? Let's go back to our slides here. What we have to do, we have to add an internet gateway. So the internet gateway, it's going to allow us to give access to our EC2 instance. So let's do that. So let's go to the VPC management console and look for internet gateway. So we have to create an internet gateway. I'm going to create demo internet gateway and I'm going to create it. So the internet gateway is it's a managed service, so we don't have to manage anything. Right now it's detached, so we have to attach it to our VPC. I've attached it and okay. And let's try one more time connecting, sorry, connecting to our instance. Still we have a timeout. So there is something that we miss. Even though we have internet gateway, we have to update the routing table of our subnet so that traffic can be routed through the internet gateway. So let's here and create a routing table. So this is the main uh, default routing table. So we are going to create our our custom routing table. I'm going to create public subnet routing table. It's going to be used by the demo VPC and OK. And after that, we have to edit the subnet association. We have to associate it with our public subnet. And if we can see here the routes, it says all the traffic that is destined for our VPC, it's going to be the target is local. In other words, everything that is coming to here should be routed to here. Yeah, something like that. So I'm going to edit the subnet associations and I'm going to associate it with the public subnet. And we have this and we have to edit the routes. So what do we have to say? We have to say that all traffic that it's going anywhere, this means 0.0.0.0/0 means anywhere, should be routed to our internet gateway. And our internet gateway is this one. And I'm going to save the changes and it is now active. So now let's try it one more time. We have progress. Yes, I'm going to accept it. And we have connected to our instance. So if we try here ping google.com, sorry, ping google.com, it works. And even if we try uh, with instance connect, we should access it with no problem. Here we go. So ping google.com, it works, and that, that's it. So thank you for the attention, and see you in the next video.